Hi children, in previous class we started our first lesson, right? Okay. In this lesson there is a young boy, his name is Victor, and he lost his way, and he found a house in the forest, and it was raining heavily, so he went uh, to the house, and it was a heavy rain, so that he could not stand in the porch also, and he went inside the room, inside the house, and he suddenly he heard a sound. What was the sound? Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green finger? Suddenly he saw nearby the door, who is there? There is a monster. How was the monster look like? He was looking full of hairs, full of green hairs on his body, and red sloppy lips. Sloppy in the sense loose and shapeless. Okay, loose and shapeless. Red lips were there for him, and two fangs, means sharp teeth, two sides, right, and with long green fingers, right, and fingernails. And Victor panicked in the sense suddenly felt frightened. He got afraid, right? And what happened again? This monster wanted to catch Victor. He was following Victor, right? Again, he heard the monster say, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" As he followed him down the hall, Victor ran up some stairs at the end of the hall, and monster followed him. Victor is running from this monster, and he was running to uh, the down to the hall, and Victor ran up some stairs at the end of the hall. Now it is the end. He ran up to the stairs, and it is the end of the hall, and monster is following him, and monster is asking, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Monster was getting closer, and Victor heard the monster say louder, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Monster is coming closer to Victor, and Victor is getting afraid whether monster will catch him or not. And he is getting afraid, and again monster is asking that, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Victor ran away from the monster, down the hall at the top of the stairs, and into a room at the end of the hall, closing to the door behind him. But he heard loud footsteps coming down the hall, and he had run into a room which had either windows nor another door. So he hid in a big cupboard in the room. Suddenly, Victor, this monster is coming near to Victor, and Victor is running away from the monster. He is running down to the hall and going up to the stairs, and he is going to the room, and he is running and running. He want to keep away from the monster, and suddenly he saw there a room. It is a room which is had either windows nor another door. Only one door is there for that room. There is no windows, no another door. Only one door only is there for that room. Okay, and he wanted to hide in that room. There is a cupboard. There is a big cupboard in that room, and he wanted to. He is hiding inside the cupboard. Okay. The room door creaked open, and again he heard the monster say even louder, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppy lips and my long green fingers?" Again and again he is asking this only. Again he came to that room. He opened the door of that room, and he is asking loudly, "Do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers. Who is asking? Monster is asking, right? Monster is having red sloppity lips, loose and shapeless lips, and long green fingernails. Monster is asking, do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and long green fingers? Again so loud that it hurt Victor's ear. The monster once again said, do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers? Victor shook and he replied with fear, no. The monster said, then I will show you. Then again monster came closer to Victor and he is asking loudly, he is asking, do you know what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers? Victor is getting more afraid and he is shivering and he is saying, no, I don't know what you do with your red sloppity lips and long green fingers. And monster said, I will show you what I do with my red sloppity lips and my long green fingers. Then monster showed. See here you can see the sound. Blah 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 blah. I will do with my red sloppity lips and long green fingers. What he will do? He do this sound, blah 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 sound. You just try once that sound. Okay, put your fingers to your lips and strum them across your lips while you make a B sound. Close your eyes when you do this if you can. This should result in the desired silly effect, but don't do this too often. It might make your lips sloppity like the monster. You just try to do with your finger and lips. You have to do like this and you have to make this sound. You will get the sound what the monster made. Okay, and what you have to do? Okay, you just try to close your eyes also while doing, and if you do it continuously, what will happen? Your lips also become like a monster's lips. So don't do continuously, just 1 or 2 times you can do it. Okay, hope you understand the lesson. Next day onwards, okay, I will give you some new words and next day we start to write question answer.